students, our next topic is public opinion in democracy. So, we all know that we have a democratic country. Okay, all these things we have discussed in a previous lecture, that the public opinion is a importance in democracy, or elections are a barometer for the political parties. Okay, so in previous lecture we also discussed that election can be contested by the political parties, coalition of political parties, and third is also by the independent contestant, okay, or independent candidate. So, the candidate who wins the elections represent the people, okay, and the candidate who wins the election is also from their ruling government or ruling party. In representative system of the ruling party would like to regain and retain its power, okay, because once they getting into the power, so in after the tenure of 5 years they also wanted to get a regain or retain its power. To regain and retain its power, it becomes essential for the political parties to connect with the people. They have to work for the people. Okay, that's why after the one tenure, they also regain or retain their power. To maintain and run the government, it becomes essential to consider public opinions and thought for framing policies or for various questions pertaining to many problems. Okay, if government wanted to become a ruling party or making a ruling party, then they have to connect with the public, means what types of things public wants. Okay, they have to frame a public opinion, public policy for a various question or various problem of a publics or a citizens. Public opinion is highly essential for political parties. Okay, it is highly required for the political parties, representatives, and also for organizations. This opinion, public opinion, is essential for political parties, second representatives, and third is the organizations. Okay, then you see that before the elections many media covers they went to different villages and covers the different opinion regarding the ruling party or opposition party, means ruling party did their work properly or not, they gave opinion about to all these things. Collective public opinion is extremely important in democracy. Collective public opinion means what? All the states and central levels public opinion is extremely important. Okay, in judiciary chapter we have discussed that if sometimes the government is not working properly or not framing the law according to the people's welfare or as the public opinion, so what judiciary do? Judiciary make law by themselves, and this power of judiciary or court is known as a judicial activism. Okay, this power is known as a judicial activism. Strong and organized public opinion is very important in democracy, because for government this type of opinion has forced the government to make a law or policies according to the public opinion. Malfunctioning of the government can be presented through public opinion I have already told you, before the elections or before the 2-3 months of election year time, many media channels cover many villages and they are showing how government work properly or not. Okay, different types of schemes or policies made for them is benefited them or not, or how the scheme or policy is applied properly or not to their villages. Okay. Public opinion helps in creating such a condition where the government cannot afford to misrule or neglect the country, because democratic government profit is that government is not never neglect the people, because people is at the center, at the gaining the power from the people, they made their government, and if they ignore or neglect the citizens, then next tenure they didn't make their ruling party or ruling government. Alert and intelligent public that keeps itself informed cannot be misled by the government. Next, various mediums in the modern times have proved to be very important in creating public opinion. Okay, different types of a tool through which we can give our opinion and government also listen, and they know what types of policies people wanted, and after that they framed different policies and law. So, mediums of public opinion formation in democracy. Okay, by which mediums people usually criticize the government, okay, and obtain whatever the policies or schemes he or she wanted. So, to cultivate the human psyche and to create a strong public opinion, the various information and broadcasting agencies are very useful. Okay, different types of news channel broadcasting agencies create a strong public opinion. In today's time, various mediums are used to transmit information to the public. In today's time, many or various mediums are used to transmit the public opinion to the government, in which newspaper, some print media. Okay, these mediums contributing to build strong and effective public opinion. First is a print media. Okay, print media. In today's world, newspaper, first newspaper, second is a periodicals, and third is the journals, hold utmost importance in facilitating people to know more about incidents, events and situations taking place nationally as well as internationally. Okay, what the three factors of print media are? News means in print media they included newspaper, periodicals and journals. Okay, so all these three give us information about what is problem arises in India. Second thing, what incidents, events and situation taking place in nationally as well as in a international or at an international level. Print media helps people to evaluate their opinion either in favor or against the information presented by them. Okay. Whatever information given by the print media, after if they getting review from the citizens, they can get the review in favor or against the information which is presented by the media. The same information presented by the print media can create multiple viewpoints in the people. Okay, means here we all know that the thought process of every citizen is different. So, whatever information presented by print media on this information there has been a seen a various opinion which is presented by the citizen. Means here clearly written that the same information also can create a multiple view points. People gave different individual responses to the same information and develop individually diverse opinion. Okay. At the same information, people create an individual response and develop an individual diverse opinion. And the opinion on the basis of the news, the opinion which is created are true, firm and unbiased. Unbiased means not wrongly presented. Okay. If the print media presents bias or false details, then it is possible to create a false public opinion. Here clearly written is support print media. Suppose print media or this media is given a wrong information, then the opinion which is created on the basis of this news is also a wrong. It is absolutely essential to have a freedom of press so that a false public opinion is not created by presenting only achievement of the government and thereby hiding the faults, failures or shortcoming of the government. That is why India has also followed this freedom of press, in which media has given all types of freedom, which that for that they can presented information in favor of government or against the government. That is why they never hiding the false, failure and shortcoming of the governments. Okay. That is why the wrong opinion is never created. Ours is a diverse nation in terms of various language, culture and regional varieties. Okay. But most of people followed the regional newspaper or regional varieties because they understood very well in the regional languages. The regional newspaper are much sought after in corresponding regions. Okay, we have already discussed. Regional newspaper then have an immense contribution in cultivating. Okay, I told that most of people follow regional newspaper and they have an immense contribution in cultivating public opinion. Print media has failed in cultivating public opinion in countries and regions having a less literacy rate. Okay, because the people who is illiterate, they didn't know about how to read, then there is no use of print media. Okay, and the literacy rate is the area which has the lower literacy rate, there has been a success ratios of print media have very less. In spite of these various organizations, industrial groups and political parties publish their own dailies or periodicals owing to the influence exerted by printed material. Okay, here written that other than a print media or other news channel, various organizations, industrial groups and political parties also publish their own dailies or periodical. The government also publishes various periodical and issue providing importance information. Suppose government's one magazine Yojana, okay, in which this Yojana magazine is presented on every month. So after from that Yojana magazine, the people clearly know about the Yojana which is or the policies which is made by the government. Okay, and the information given in this Yojana magazine is very authentic. Okay, so that's why the government also runs some periodicals or monthly magazines. Next is a electronic media. Okay, we have discussed that print media is a good for the, but the problem faced by the print media is the area which have very low literacy rate, then the success ratio of print media is very less. Next is the electronic media. Audio visual media like radio, television, cinema are also important in cultivating public opinion. Okay, apart from this print media, electronic media is also important for cultivating public opinion. Electronic media is more effective in the regions of lower literacy rate, because the people face the illiterate, or the people is the most illiterate. He couldn't read anything, but he listen or see everything. It is seen that radio and television are considered far more important than newspaper and periodicals. So we can see that the radio and television are more important than newspaper and periodical, because this newspaper and periodical is quite boring. Live telecast of incidents occurring nationally as well as internationally can be easily available through the radio and television. When you can easily understand okay, a public opinion which is also created or made through the serials, drama, movies, okay, which can help you to easily understand and portray the socio-economic as well as the other problem like untouchability, dowry, exploitation and poverty in an with the entertaining manner. Okay. In today's world, apart from televisions, the arrival and the spread of internet has helped people to enjoy news, drama, serials and movies sitting comfortably in their home. Okay. Apart from means what they said, first of all we have discussed about the print media which is not successful. Today is the era of electronic media, but the internet is also important as compared to the electronic media, because which gives you a different types of news, serial, dramas and movies comfortably in their homes. Okay, all this media can create an adverse effect to the presentation of a distorted, obscene and violent information. If suppose they gave a distorted information, then it is also wrong for the democracy, and it is essential to monitor and control transmission of harmful content through these important mediums. Okay, means there is some restriction on this, all these types of groups. In a democracy, it is desirable that the political parties and NGOs protest against various options and violent programs telecasted by electronic media. Okay, means whatever the different types of options and violent programs is telecasted by the electronic media. Today, in a fast moving age of technology, people also can stay in a constant touch through a medium of internet, smart cell phone, exchange as well as their idea through their mobile. Electronic media is widely used to cultivate public opinion. Okay, we have already discussed that before the election. The medias, some people went to the different villages and covered the entire media and asked them how government is working properly or not, what is your opinion about the ruling government and other things. Okay, television, radio, personalized radio, FM plays an important role in cultivating public opinion. Okay, now the disadvantages of this media is rumors spread instantaneously in the absence of fact and details. Okay, with the absence of fact and details, some rumors speedily spread, hence this remains a danger of a false public opinion. Okay, in print media, if the media shows the wrong information, then the public opinion being false generated. Various types of survey carried out by electronic media help to create a public opinion. Okay, and they also shows with the opinion poll, okay, during the election time, okay, which help people to understand the direction of public opinion. And but one thing is, remember here, public polls or opinion polls are not always true and reliable. Last paragraph of electronic media is electronic media are very important in today's time. Okay, we all know that in the democracy, for the people, government should exercise patience. Government also should exercise this passion and work for the people. Electronic media helps to transmit people's thought. Okay, electronic media also transmit people's thought, details, and talks to the government. Okay, because electronic media also covers the entire process, and if they wanted, then also talk with the government and governmental organization. Okay, similarly, they also transmit the detail about various plans and achievement which is done by the government of a different particular country. Radio also can reach at a distance and a remote area also, but is only a audio effect. It can give audio effect, then it is not interesting as much as a television program. Okay, so in the democracy, we should always believe on a true public opinion, and the true public opinion should be cultivated, and that's why that lead to the welfare of the nation. Okay, types of democracy, which is interesting topic, but we will discuss in a next session. Okay, so this is the end of our video. I hope it is clear to you all.